Good morning, students. We'll start our maths class. Already I've taught this one time in the class explanation I've given about this one. Little bit we'll do little recap. So time, it is very precious. So we should not waste time. Not only that one, time can be calculated in hours, minutes and seconds. Time it is calculated in hours, minutes and seconds. So not only that one, see here, time can be calculated in hours, minutes and seconds. So have you seen a clock? Yes or no? You have seen a clock. So seeing a clock, how much numbers are there? You can see from 12. It starts from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much numbers will be there? From 1 to 12. In a clock, you have numbers from where to where? 1 to 12. How much numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 to 12, you'll have numbers. Not only numbers, you have two hands. Yes or no? You have two hands. Which is that one? One is short hand. Another one is long hand. You will have what? Short hand and long hand. Short hand and long hand. So in a clock, to show 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, what they will do? You have one dot, you'll put a small dot. So short hand, I will show 3. The long hand, it is showing which? It is showing what? It is pointing towards 12. So if it is like this, this is 3 o'clock. The short hand, it is towards 3. The short hand, it is towards 3. The long hand, it is showing 12. So what is the time now? It is 3 o'clock. It is what? 3 o'clock. So here we have two hands. We have how many hands in a clock? 2 hands. A clock has 2 hands. A clock has how many hands? It has 2 hands. Which are those? Short hand and long hand. Short hand and long hand. What work the short hand will do? Let us see. See here. A short hand is the hour hand. It is what? The hour hand. It is here you can see. So if it is the short hand, if it is showing 3, so it is what? 3 o'clock. The long hand, it is showing 12. So what is the time now? 3 o'clock. Now slowly if it is coming towards 4. Now if it is coming to 4, so what is the time now? It is 4 o'clock. So the short hand, it indicates hour. It indicates what? Hour. The long hand, it indicates minutes. It indicates what? Minutes. Understood all of you? So here 5 minutes. So now slowly it is going towards 1. This long hand, it is showing 1. So what is the time now? 4, 5. It is what? You have to use which tables? 5 tables. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 55, 60. So see here, slowly the long hand, if it is moving towards 1, so what is the time now? 4, 5. It is what? 4, 5. If it is moving slowly towards 10 means, what is the time now? What is the time now? If it is moving towards 10. So 4, 10. It is what? 4, 10. Slowly if it is moving towards 3, so 4, 15. Like that, you have to use which tables you are using? Only 5 tables you are using. Which tables you are using? 5 tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to how much? 60 minutes. You can see here. Yes or no? So 12 means 60. 12 means 60. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour, 60 seconds. Now slowly you can see in your clock. You have seen a clock. Yes or no? How it will be? Small lines will be there. You can see in between these two numbers, they'll have 5 lines. You can see 5 lines. Here also 5 lines you can see. So here also 5 lines you can see. In a clock, at home you have a clock now. You can see that one. You will have small lines in between. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So small lines will be there in the clock. You have seen a clock at home. Wherever if you go to the railway station, you can see there. In the office you can see, in the school you can see, at home you can see the clock. Understood? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The long hand is the minute hand. So long hand is the minute hand. It shows minutes. It shows what? The long hand work is what? Minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. Not only that one, the long hand takes 1 hour to complete 1 round. So see here, now slowly it is moving 1, 2, 3, slowly it will go to the 4, then slowly 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So next what will happen? It will become 5 o'clock. It was 4 o'clock, 4:20. If it will come to 4, it will become 4:20. 4:25, 4:30, 4:35, 4:80. So 4:8 means 40. Like that, it will go slowly. 1 hour it takes the long hand to complete 1 hour. It takes 1 hour to complete 1 rotation. To complete 1 rotation, it takes 1 hour. The short hand takes 12 hours to complete 1 round. To complete 1 round, full round. So now here you can see here. Now to complete 1 round. In the afternoon, you'll have lunch. Yes or no? In the afternoon, you'll have lunch. What is the time? 12 o'clock. It is what? 12 o'clock. In the afternoon, you'll have lunch. It is 12 o'clock. So after going home, it is what? What is the time? What time you will go to the home? You will go at 4 o'clock. Yes or no? It will go. You will have lunch in the 12 o'clock. Then you will have afternoon till when you will go to home, you will go to 4 o'clock. So when you will play, after from 4 to 6, you will go for playing. Yes or no? So 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. In 8 o'clock, what you will do? You will watch TV. 10 o'clock, you will go to bed. So 11 and 12, you will be sleeping. So one complete rotation, it takes 1 full rotation. The short hand takes 12 hours to complete 1 full round. You can see the numbers here. So 12 o'clock, you will have lunch. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you will be in the school. 4 o'clock, you will reach home. So from 4 to 6, you will go for playing. From 6 to 8, you will do your homework. So 9 o'clock, you will have your dinner. So from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, you will go for sleep. So like this, full rotation it will do. So it takes full rotation to complete. The short hand takes 12 hours to complete 1 full rotation. Understood all of you? So next we will do our exercise part. Exercise 1. Take out page number. Page number. Already I have explained in the class. Recap, I have done this one. Understood all of you? 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 hour means small lines are there now. If you count this one, it will be 60. If you count that one, it will be 60. So 60 minutes, 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Not only this one, the small thin line will be there. A small stick will be there. It will be moving. Yes or no? Slowly this, the long hand, it will move to next number. Like this, slowly it will be moving. Have you seen a clock? Have you observed? No? So to complete full one rotation, 1 minute 60 seconds. It takes what? To complete 1 minute, it takes 60 seconds. Understood, all of you? Now exercise 1, you take out, all of you, page number 123. Take out page number 123, all of you. Write today's day and date. So here they have given some clocks. Here in your textbook, exercise 1, read the time they have given. They have given few clocks. Seeing the time, we have to write the time there. So first main, exercise 1. Exercise 1. First main, read the time. They have given one time. So read that one and you have to write the time there. So first one. See here, like this they have given. The short hand, it is showing towards 3. The long hand, it is showing towards 12. So what is the time now? You can see there, dash, they have given dash clock. They have given dash clock. So the short hand, where it is pointing towards 3, it is pointing towards 3. The long hand, it is pointing towards 12. So what is the time now? It is 3 o'clock. It is, what is the time now? It is 3 o'clock. Write down. In your textbooks, you have to write. Three o'clock. Sharp your pencils and write. You need not draw. In your textbooks, already it is been drawn. The second one, you see, what is the time it is showing? So the short hand, it is showing 5. The long hand, it is pointing towards 12. So what is the time now? It is 5 o'clock. It is, what is the time now? 5 o'clock. Write 5 there. Next one. Next one, you see. Third one. Third one. This is third one. See. So the third one, you see, the short hand, it is pointing 9. The long hand, it is pointing 12. So what is the time now? It is 9 o'clock. What is the time now? 9 o'clock. Now, for example, short hand, it is showing 10. Long hand, it is pointing 12. So what is the time now? 10 o'clock. Now, the short hand, it is showing 1. The long hand, it is showing towards 12. So what is the time? 1 o'clock. Understood? long hand, if it is pointing towards 12, and the short hand, it may be 3, it may be 4. So it is 3 o'clock. If it is pointing towards 3, it is 3 o'clock. The short hand, if it is pointing towards 4, the long hand, it is pointing towards 12, it is 4 o'clock. Understood, all of you? The next one, the D1, you see. D1. Finished, all of you? D1, the short hand, it is pointing towards 7. The long hand, it is pointing towards 12. So what is the time now? It is 7 o'clock. Understood now, all of you? If it is the short hand, it is the hour hand. It shows only the hours. It shows what? Hours. The long hand, it indicates only the minutes. Now, slowly, if it is going, for example, copied on this one, I'll explain. C and D, copied on. Finished? Now, slowly you see this one. I'll explain this one. Now, the short hand, it is showing 9. The long hand, if it is showing 6. So, what is the time now? What is the time? It is 9:30. It is what? 9:30. 5, 6, 5, 6 is how much? 30. No, you know, all of you know tables, no? If it is showing, now for example, now this is short hand, it is showing 9. The long hand, it is showing 6. So what is the time now? 9:30. Now the long hand, if it is showing towards 10. If it is showing towards 10. So what is the time now? 9:10. 5 2s is how much? 10. So 9:10. Understood, all of you? 9:10. If it is pointing towards 4, this is the long hand you have to see. You have to see the long hand. So see here, now it is pointing towards 4. So what is the time now? 9:20. It is what? 9:20. Now for example, if it is pointing towards 3. If it is pointing towards 3, what is the time now? 9:15. 5 3s is how much? 5 3s are 15. So how much will write here? 9:15. Understood, all of you? You have to use 5 answer tables, not other tables. Only you have to use 5 answer tables. Understood, all of you, this one? How to see time? See here, now the long hand, if it is showing at 8. If it is showing at 8. So what is the time here? 5 8s is how much? 5 8s are 40. So 40 means 9:40. It is time is what? 9:40. Understood, all of you? 9:40. You'll write here 9:40. Understood, all of you? The next main, the second main you copied on. The second main, draw hour hand and minute hand according to the time given below. They have given a clock there. Then they have mentioned the time there. You have to draw the clock there. Let us see second main how to do. Second main. Second main you see. Second main, draw hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand means what? Short hand. Minute hand means instead of giving the short hand and long hand, they have given what heading? Read there. Draw hour hand and minute hand according to the time given below. After drawing the clock, they have given time also. Yes or no? You can see the first one. What is the time they have given there? 6 o'clock. They have given 6 o'clock. So how you will draw this 6 o'clock now? First, hour hand you have to draw. First you have to draw hour hand. So in between this 9 and 3, put a Dot there, put a dot there. Shorthand, not too much of short, not too much also long. Medium it should be, it is showing towards 6. It should show towards 6. 6, understood? So long hand, it shows how much? 12. So it is what? 6 o'clock. It is what? 6 o'clock, understood? 6, the short hand should show 6. The long hand should indicate 12. So that is what? 6 o'clock. Draw that one. You can use pencil only. To make you understand, I have used color. You need not use color crayons or something. You can use pencil only. Second one you see. What is the time they have given? 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock means how you will draw now? The short hand should show 11 towards 11. Put a dot in between 9 and 3. So put a dot there. Here, small hand should indicate 11. The long hand should indicate 12. Compared to this one, the long hand should be little bigger. Don't draw equally. So what you should do, compared to this short hand, the long hand should be little bigger. So what is the time now? 11 o'clock. It is what they are given in your textbook, 11 o'clock. You have to show 11 o'clock. The short hand indicates 11. The long hand indicates 12. Finish it fast. C1. C1. What is the time they have given? They have given 4 o'clock. They have given what? 4 o'clock. How you will draw now? The short hand should indicate 4. The short hand should indicate what? 4. The long hand should indicate 12. So in between these, you put a point here. The short hand should indicate 4. The long hand should indicate 12. Now, what is the time? It is 4 o'clock. They have already mentioned you have to draw the hand, short hand and the long hand. Finish it fast. Next, D1. The D1 is 8 o'clock. D1, 8 o'clock. Finish C1. Now D. So 8 o'clock they have given. So in between 9 and 3, put a point. Where is 8? Put a, which short hand you have to draw? You have to draw which hand? Short hand. For 12, you have to draw long hand. So it is 8 o'clock. Understood all of you how to draw? The short hand should indicate 8. The long hand should indicate 12. Copy done fast. Finished? At home, you have to practice this one. Okay? I have already done first and second main now. You have to practice at home. We'll do in the next main filling the blanks. Okay, thank you, students.